Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 7th of January, 2025, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.22. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 3.22%. This results in an average daily loss of approximately 0.81% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 10.44% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.44% to 23.96%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 43.81% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 37.25% and 60.88%. This would correspond to a price range between $321.71 and $377.11 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for Apple stock after losing 1.03%. The Apple stock price fell by 1.03% on the last day, which was Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, dropping from $236.85 to $234.40. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.15%, with a low of $229.72 and a high of $234.67. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 9.51% during this period. The trading volume also fell on the last day, which in fact is a positive indicator as volume typically follows the stock. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 9 million shares, with a total of 49 million shares bought and sold for approximately $11.5 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $260.09, and the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price stands at 9.88%, or $25.69, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is currently navigating a series of challenges that could influence its stock performance in both the near and distant future. Recently, the company experienced a decline of 5% in global iPhone sales during the holiday season, primarily due to heightened competition from Chinese rivals such as Xiaomi and Huawei. This trend is further supported by a decrease in smartphone shipments, reflecting a wider competitive struggle within the market. Additionally, Apple's market capitalization has taken a hit, losing over $350 million in just 10 days. This may indicate negative investor sentiment and potentially act as a sell signal. This downturn coincides with a disappointing performance in the technology sector overall, where stocks have generally faced difficulties, suggesting that Apple is not alone in facing these challenges. On a more encouraging note, the recent ascent of the new app, Red Note, to the top position in the Apple App Store could signify increasing user engagement within Apple's ecosystem. However, this success is tempered by broader macroeconomic concerns, including potential regulations that could affect apps like TikTok, underscoring the constantly evolving landscape of digital content. Furthermore, Apple's board has recommended that shareholders reject a proposal related to diversity, equity, and inclusion. They remain steadfast in their commitments to these values, which may have both immediate reputational consequences and longer-term effects on corporate culture and talent retention. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned AAPL an underweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that MoffettNathanson issued a sell rating for AAPL with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, it was reported that Bernstein rated AAPL as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of December 2024, it was reported that Daiwa also rated AAPL as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI rated AAPL as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock carries sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is situated above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $241.20 and $244.34. A breakthrough above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 26th, in the year 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 9.51%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is an ongoing sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presents a buy signal from 3 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal from 163 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $233.85. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.95, which is approximately 2.15%, between its highest and lowest points. In the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This ratio is generally considered normal, particularly for companies with established histories or steady revenue streams. Additionally, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates at $2.36. These figures are significant as they can substantially influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $236.85. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $233.85. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of January in 2025, Parek Kevin conducted an insider purchase of 36,767 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 16th day of December in 2024, Jeffrey E. Williams executed an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, Jeffrey E. Williams sold 34,752 shares of common stock. Again, on that day, he conducted another sale of 42,939 shares of common stock. Lastly, on the 16th of December in 2024, he sold 8,384 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 28.023. In total, insiders purchased 2,096,037 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a generally positive trend, we anticipate that Apple will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 14th of January, we expect Apple to open down by $1.47 and begin trading at $232.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.